We were with you in this shop, центральный детский магазин, Central Children's Shop or store, and that is Lubyanskaya Square. And we go with you underground to cross the square because we go to Nikolskaya Street, and from there we will go to Gum Shop. Nikolskaya is one of the most beautiful, I think, that is my opinion, one of the most beautiful streets. That is Pedestrian Street, not very long, I would say rather short, and very, very beautiful. The decoration changes. And we go with you in the direction of the Red Square. And over here, guys, is one of the shortest but one of the most expensive streets, Tretyakovsky Проезд. The end is over there, under the arch. Very short street. Here mostly boutiques. Unfortunately, now a lot of buildings are in the process of restoration. You can see that fabric over there. You see? They put such fabric, and behind it do some renovations. That is usually done in the center of Moscow. Not just fence and ugly net, but such fabric that imitates the building. Especially beautiful this street is in December, before New Year celebrations, and also in the evening during the whole year, because here is very, very wonderful illumination. And of course many tourists. Now mostly Russian tourists, but also some foreign tourists I can see here from time to time. Государственный гуманитарный университет. Lovely building. What to say? The students are very lucky to have classes in such wonderful building. Nikolskaya 15. Лавка, the church shop. And icons over here. Painted icons. Those are not prints. we are, guys, near Gum shop. Here, as you can see, wonderful flower beds, very lovely. So I think we will enter the Gum shop with you at the moment, and then when the lights will be on, I think in half an hour, because it will be getting dark in half an hour. So here will be the most wonderful time. So let's go inside. There will be music playing, so but what to do? Here are a lot of boutiques, and usually people go here just to have a look, like in the museum. And here is very yummy ice cream that all people usually buy. So if you are here, you should also try very yummy ice cream. But we go with you in the direction of the fountain. They usually the most beautiful decoration. The best viewpoint is from that bridge. So let's have a look from here, and then we'll go with you upstairs to that balcony. Yeah, traditionally watermelons. Usually a lot of people are grumbling in comments when they watch pictures from Gum shop. Why they spoil so many watermelons? It's better to give to the poor. That is a traditional comment, guys. But every year Gum shop buys a lot of watermelons, put in the fountain, and doesn't pay any attention to comments of angry birds.